Question 3 is really quite a long question, so I'm going to break this video up into a few parts. In the first one I'll show you how to fill out the table, second one I'll show you how to find the average, third one the median, and fourth one the mode. So when you go to fill out one of these tables, which I've pre-filled in some of the information so that it's not too painful to watch, is you'll first notice with this table that instead of finding scores, it's finding intervals, okay? So this might be really good if you're collecting information about age groups or something like that. So the first thing to do is to fill out this midpoint column, because this is important. This will become your score, if you like. And what this is doing is it's finding halfway between 0 and 9, which is 4.5. If you can't work out what halfway between these numbers are, add them together and divide by 2, okay, and you will get the midpoint. The cumulative frequency column is this frequency column as a running tally, okay? So if that's 0, that's 0. Then you say 0 plus 1 makes 1. 1 plus nothing makes 1. 1 plus 4 makes 5. 5 plus 22 makes 27. 27 plus 32 makes 59. 59 plus 55 makes 114. And 114 plus 36 makes 150. Now this score of 150 here is also the total for the frequency. You can just add all of those up to find that, but if you've got a cumulative frequency column, you might as well do that first and drag it over. Okay, the FX column, this is the hint here. This means the frequency times by the score, okay? So this column multiplied by this one. So 0 times 4.5 is nothing, okay? 1 times 14.5 is 14.5, nothing times 24.5 is nothing, etc., etc. You will have to use your calculator to total this up, okay? And this is really important for finding out the mean, which we'll find out in just a moment.